Hello guys, we at the park today with Mimo. You can see there's a water doggy. Look at Happy. He's having fun.
It's a male. His name is Maxie and he's like 10 months old. Don't hump him.
Happy meet Yuna. A new friend. Step on my feet now.
He's trying to hump at
The big dog is crazy.
The big dog is crazy. You know,
Yeah.
Maxie's kind of puppy.
Oh, do the kid. Do the kid. It's great. Happy is joined the day.
Yeah.
You can see Maxie is smelling happy. Don't love that dog.
Mama daw.
You don't like that dog. Mommy, come. That's a
Maliit ka. Baka
YouTube kid.
malapa.
I watch that on YouTube kid.
Yeah.
It's on YouTube dog. Oh, that's
Cute po. Cute po. Ang cute naman niya.
You can see there's a water dogs coming. Great fun! Yeah, great fun! Yeah, great fun! Everyone is joining because there's a water dog. Great fun! Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Have a nice day too. I meet a new friend, Ate.